We're installing the Vanish plate right now. Bro's hooking it up. Got both the whips here. We're gonna get ready to go to the track soon. Kymron's, this one's on a stock turbo, as you guys should already know. However, mine is on a upgraded 6769 turbo with the Precision Raceworks gauntlet. So should be putting down some jam. I got no back seats in either right now, right? Just cause why not? But yeah, hopefully you're getting this Vanish plate sorted soon, and then as you guys see, it'll be good. It'll be nice and good. Both the cars at the track, yin and yang here. Hopefully run faster than a 10.5. PB in the car is a 10.56 at 132 so far. So.
What the channel's about? You almost knocked my ice cap over.
It's fast. That shit got me shaking, bro. That's probably the hardest launch I've felt in my life.
Yeah, right.
Plug. Bro, I'm about to get a ride in the M4 82 for the first time.
Don't look at the bottom, bro. Don't look at the bottom. You can't even see it. Bro, this thing is sick.
Try yours though.
Mine works, yeah, there.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Bro, that thing is so fat from the rear end.
Yeah. No, you don't got to do no pull. It's just for me to look back. This is my first time. This is a dream come true, bro.
Valve's closed.
It's closed?
Yeah, right there. Hear it?
Yeah.
Open.
Oh, shit.
First time the M4. That thing's sick.
Yeah, right. It's good, actually. Yeah.
See, it's like super
It jerk,
touchy.
yeah.
Like
I like
in the
it.
fourth map. In the fourth map, like in the fourth map, it just wants to go pretty much.
That back end wants to go.
It was close though. I'm hoping your deep can bring something to the table here for that Hellcat looking thingy over there. But looking at the tires, will this Hellcat suffer from every other Hellcat problem? Again, it's that initial launch, the initial hit of the acceleration is so high that they don't hook. So I'm hoping this one hooks. It was good burnout. We'll see. There we go. Not the best reaction time, but he's going to leave that Hellcat behind. Down the drag strip, and I said absolutely. It's an LS6, and this thing is quick. And that dip. So a full wise fab angle kit. Out here, you're gonna see this one. You're gonna see the beast, and we're gonna have big green city racing with the turtle. So.
Why keep on a ease? Why keep on a ease?
Go.
Choka go on, dog.
There even race down to the end. But
No,
a
sir.
9-4. If you have a gap cam on your car, you have to run faster than 12 seconds. And 12 seconds. Exactly. Yeah, gotta be gap cam worthy. You can't do over 12s. Under 12s. Seriously. Oh no! Red light finish. Wow. In the Napa lane. Just under, well, not Fred, but Napa. Okay, no, my man.